I'd like to present the Roxtec products. Basically, Roxtec, as an overview, is a manufacturer of cable and or pipe seals for passing through nearly any kind of barrier. And while Roxtec has many different products serving many different industries, I'd like to focus in on the RG M63 series. This is a product family that's been around for quite a while, but it's been a very popular product. It's comprised of a metallic frame. Here it's nickel-plated brass, also available in stainless, by the way, and it has sealing modules located within it. If you look at a little bit more closely at the sealing modules, you find that every single module, typical of Roxtec, is a layered system. So you peel away the layers to get to the appropriate size opening to accept the cable that you're dealing with for the application. The product itself has an integral compression system, so as you install it on the enclosure wall, as you tighten it up, it puts the modules into compression, achieving a NEMA 4X IP67 CO. This means hose down, wash down, very appropriate in applications such as food and beverage, or any place where you have a lot of dust and dirt, or any place where you simply want to maintain the integrity of the electrical enclosure. The product, by its design, then can accept pre-terminated cables, as long as the terminal or the connector on the end of the cable will pass through the opening in the frame. No need to cut off the connector, just remove the modules, pass the cable through, and then restore the modules. Nobody wants to solder a connector on the end of any cable. That's a lot of work and a lot of risk. It is a package product, so when you buy it, what you get is you get the package including the frame and its modules. And that's complete per part number, so you don't have to worry about, did I get the right modules for the right frame? So that makes the process of ordering and receiving much simpler. In summary, the product is certainly most noted for the fact that a single opening in the electrical enclosure can accept multiple cables, in this case up to 9 different cables, each one of them being sealed appropriately. It's an easy to use system, it's very flexible, and it's a cost-effective solution, meaning both in terms of material as well as labor. So hopefully this product makes a lot of sense for you. Thank you.